Hey, Lily, is there a fire in the classroom?
La boubie.
Hi, Frank. Is there a fire? There doesn't seem to be any smoke or anything.
Mga bata.
No fire? But you think somebody pulled the alarm on purpose? Let's hope not. Okay, everyone, back inside. Thank you, Frank, for your help. Thank goodness there was no fire, eh, Frank?
Oh.
Is that the fire alarm again?
Baba?
What's going on, Frank? Is there a faulty wire or something?
Oh, Karapi.
You just cut a wire and it's still ringing? How is that possible?
Oh.
Something strange is going on here, Frank. Maybe you should call the other members of Car Patrol for help. Guys, we have an emergency, and Frank needs your help. The school fire alarm keeps going off, and Frank can't figure out why. Can you get there as soon as possible to help Frank solve this mystery? Great. Let's go. Your Car Patrol partners are here to help, Frank. It's very strange, Matt. Frank turned off the alarm earlier. Now it's going off again, even though Frank cut the wire. What is it, Matt? The alarm is coming from outside, not inside? Hector, please fly above the school and take a good look around. It seems that there is another fire alarm somewhere.
Go! Baru? Bodo, Baby Boo.
You can take the babies back inside, Lily, but we'd like to ask baby Jerry to stay here for a moment. Can we please see your cell phone, baby Jerry? The one you have tucked under your front tire? You pulled the fire alarm and then recorded it on your cell phone. Then you played it back, making it sound like the alarm was still ringing. Is that right? Why? Pulling a fire alarm when there's no emergency is a very naughty thing to do. You don't want to be back at school? Well, don't ever do that again. You can go back inside now. Thanks for your help, Car Patrol. At least there's no fire.
Hey.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time. Hey, baby Katie and baby Matt. What mischief are you two up to today? Cops and robbers on a train track? What an exciting game. Remember to listen out for any trains coming. Oh, that noise means there's a train approaching, Katie. Better untie baby Matt quickly. Oh dear, Katie, it looks like you've tied the knots too tightly. We're going to need some help from Car Patrol. It's a good thing Hector has spotted you. Hector, I think you'll need to call Matt and Frank for some assistance on this one. Hey, Matt and Frank. Hector needs your help over at the railway. Baby Matt is stuck on the tracks, and we need to untie him before the next train comes by. Matt, why don't you use your speed booster to get there quickly and help Hector to set baby Matt free? Frank, we might need to find a diversion if Hector and Matt can't free baby Matt in time. Can you think of a way to use your strength to help divert the train? Don't worry, baby Matt. Matt and Hector will be able to get you off these train tracks. Why don't both of you start untying the knots on either side of baby Matt? That way you'll set him free faster. Oh dear, guys. I don't know if you'll be able to free baby Matt in time. Where's Frank? Oh my goodness, Frank. What on earth is that you're carrying? You brought a whole set of train tracks from the railway station? That must weigh more than a house. Phew! Looks like you were just in time, Frank. I can't believe how close that was. Oh, don't worry, baby Matt. You don't need to be scared. Frank managed to redirect the train so Matt and Hector can finish untying you now. It's okay, baby Katie. It was an accident, and the Car Patrol helped baby Matt to safety again. I think it might be a good idea to avoid playing on the train tracks again, don't you think? You've been very brave today, Baby Matt. I think Matt, the police car, has something for you. It's a badge of bravery for being so calm today. Well done, Baby Matt. And what about Baby Katie? She stayed by Baby Matt's side the whole time. Is that so that Baby Katie and Baby Matt have something else to play other than cops and robbers? You're full of good ideas today, Frank. Great job. Thanks for your help, Car Patrol. And stay out of trouble, you two. Until next time. Hello, friends. At last, summer has arrived. Are you happy about it? Look out! What was that? Seems like water pressure in the sewer was too big and it popped the hydrant. Let's call Car Patrol for help. Hey, Car Patrol. I see you've been watching the city and saw what happened. Let's go there and help Tom and Tyson. What's that, Matt? First, we need to put Tyson back on wheels? How are we going to do that? Tom says he could use his towing hook to do that, but he'll need help. Frank, Matt says you could use your ladder to help Tom. Great. Now we have to stop this leak, Matt, right? Tyson, Matt says they're going with Tom to investigate the situation. You should stay here and make sure no other cars get close, okay? Oh dear, it's a giant clam that got stuck. We need to help it get out. Tom, do you have any ideas? You happen to have oil with you? And we can use it to help the clam get through? Okay then. Matt says that Hector should take the oil can and put oil around the clam. I hope it's going to work. Yes, it worked. Well done. You were lucky to have that oil with you, Tom. This should release all the pressure from the sewer. Let's go back to the city. Pressure is equalized, but we still got this water puddle. What are we going to do with it?
Oh.
Your tank is empty and you could suck up that water? What do you think, Matt? Okay, then, let's do it. Good work, Tom. Now the street looks just like before. Thank you for your help, Tyson. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy the summer.
The Car Patrol. Ready, steady, go! Enjoying the race, Hector? Great. What's that noise? The telecom tower is about to fall down. We'd better call the Car Patrol, quick. Can you go any faster? You can? Great. Guys, there's an urgent problem. Can you come right now? Great. Hurry, guys. Hector, can you tell Matt and Frank what the problem is? The telecom tower is about to fall over. The cars are going to race right past it. We better hurry before someone gets hurt. Let's get to that building right away. Can you use your super speed, Matt? Perfect. Let's go. Guys, Matt says you need to get out of the way right now. The telecom tower is about to fall down. Hector says Tyler and Katie are getting close. We'd better hurry. You want Frank to drive in front of the tower and wait? You do? Okay. He's there now, Matt. What's the plan? Hector, can you lower your hook and lift the building up? Matt, Hector won't be able to lift the building up by himself. He needs help. Frank, you need to use your ladder to help straighten the building. Amazing job, Car Patrol. See you next time. The Car Patrol. Here comes the Car Patrol. Car City is safe with Matt and Frank keeping an eye on things. Uh-oh. Frank seems to be warning Matt about something. Oh, there's a brick in the road. And now Matt's got a puncture. He won't be able to patrol the city with a flat tire. Frank? Maybe you can use your hook to take Matt to Tom the tow truck's garage. Hey guys, aren't you forgetting something? You should remove that brick so no one else gets a puncture. Great. That's strange. Tom's got a lot of customers today, and they all seem to have flat tires, just like Matt. It looks like they might have driven over the bricks and damaged themselves too. Let's hope Tom can fix Matt quickly so he and Frank can start investigating. Sorry to bother you, Tom. You look very busy today, but Matt really needs your help. He's driven over a brick that was left in the road, and now he has a puncture. Matt and Frank need to find out who's behind this and put a stop to it as soon as possible. Is there any chance you can fix him next? You can go in now, Matt. That's it. Take it nice and slow. Now it's time to put on a new tire. Thanks so much for fixing Matt quickly, Tom. And thanks to all of you in the queue, too. Now Matt and Frank can go and find out who's been putting all those bricks on the road. Hey, there's Ben the tractor. He might know something about the bricks. Maybe you should go and ask him. Ben doesn't know anything about the mysterious bricks, but he's given you a clue. Ben's waiting for Flavy the flatbed truck and Edgar the excavator to deliver some bricks so he can have a wall built. I think you're onto something. Let's go and find them. Thanks for the information, Ben. There's Flavy and Edgar.
but they don't have any bricks to take to Ben. Maybe they dropped them on the city's roads. Let's ask them. Someone stole the bricks? Don't worry, guys. Matt and Frank will find the thief. Whoa! That was a close call. Seems like whoever stole Flavie and Edgar's bricks purposely planted them around Car City. But who would do such a thing? Oh, should have known. It's Tyler Tyke. He's usually up to no good. You've been caught, Tyler. We know it was you who stole Flavie and Edgar's bricks and scattered them around the city. It might have been fun for you, but it hasn't been fun for anyone else. Good idea, Matt. Tyler needs to learn his lesson. Maybe he should be made to gather up all those bricks and give them back to Flavie and Edgar. Frank's absolutely right, Tyler. You should help the construction team fix the damage to the roads, too. You did a great job, guys. Now Car City is safe again, and Flavie and Edgar will get their bricks back, which means Ben will finally get his wall built. Hey, Charlotte, you're going a little fast.
Oh? Oh.
You have to get Jerry and Katie to the race in time?
Oh.
You should still be careful, Charlotte. The mountain road can be dangerous.
Oh.
You should slow down a little.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no, Charlotte, you'd better get on the road quick. Looks like you need some help.
Oh.
Hey, Chuck, can you call the car patrol? Car patrol. Some cars are in trouble on the mountain. Can you help them? Guys, the car patrol is here to help. What are you going to do? You're going to use your tow cable to pull Charlotte up? Good idea. Can't you do it, Frank? Charlotte is too heavy with Jerry and Katie? Good idea, Hector. You should remove some of the cars. Oh my.
Are you okay, Charlotte?
Oh? Oh? Oh?
Phew. Let's not linger, guys.
Oh?
Don't worry, Jerry. You're in safe hands. Good job, Hector. Katie, you can open your eyes now.
Huh? Whee!
You did it, guys. Now Charlotte is safe.
Ah! Oh? Oh?
Now the cars are going to be late for the race.
Oh?
You have an idea to get the cars there faster?
Uh-huh.
Good idea. You can clear a path to the racetrack. Just don't go too fast. Car Patrol, I don't think you were supposed to join in the race. I guess they got a bit carried away. Bye, everyone.